Welcome back on a Friday evening. Welcome back. Yeah, we are live on a Friday evening. We are live. There is no joking. There is no rolling outside. We are live. We are talking blockchain solutions, cryptocurrencies, trading and investing. We are live, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back. We've got an interesting topic to discuss today. So yeah, please invite others and tell them we are live. We are live today. And guess what? Who's joining me today, guys? Help me welcome, Crypto Cindy. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm good, Crypto King. And how are you this Friday afternoon?
It's been a while. We haven't seen you. It's been a while. I'm sure you even forgot the sequence of the days. You think today may be Sunday or something.
It's been forever, not even a while. It's been forever. It's been forever just not being around. But I'm glad I'm able to be here with you guys today to learn with you. Just one day without learning is just one day wasted. So I could not actually waste another day in my life sleeping and taking care of flu. I had to wake up and learn with you guys today.
Christoph, we are glad you are here, and of course, we acknowledge that it wasn't you didn't just went absent or something. You were not feeling well. Even now, you're still not feeling well. But how are you feeling today? Are you able to go through this discussion, or you weak?
I'm still a bit tired, but one thing for sure is I am going to pull up for the whole hour. I'm gonna make sure that I am up for the whole hour and I learn as much as I can. I just cannot miss another show. I've missed two shows already. It seems as if I've missed my whole life, so I cannot waste another hour. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, guys, we welcome Crypto Cindy back, and of course, she's part of the family. She's one of the people who love, who live, and like and breathe blockchain cryptocurrencies. She has actually, committed herself to this market, especially on the education space. All right, you missed a lot. We've got so many discussions where we educated everyone. We shared a lot of information on this platform. So yeah, you missed a lot.
No, but the best thing about it is remember, I am one of the people that have actually subscribed to the show, which means that at any given time, I can just go to YouTube and get those videos. That is the advantage of subscribing. So if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Empire Crypto TV, if anything happens and you cannot watch us at 7 p.m. on Monday to Friday, you can always go back and view the videos at your own time and pace. So I haven't missed anything, Crypto King. I have subscribed.
Nice one. Great stuff. Today we've got an interesting topic. I mean, every Friday we review different projects, we check on different coins, and go deeper into what they do, how they do, who are the owners, and profile them. It's an interesting day today. What do you think?
Yes. It's a very, very interesting day. Fridays are one of the days which we cannot miss because these are the days where we learn something about the investments that we have made or investments that we would like to do in the future. So at least we make sure that we gather all the information so that should anyone want to buy in any of these cryptos, they have got the background, which we are always teaching the people that always make sure that you know the background of the crypto that you're interested in, you know who are the people around it, you know the use case. So every Friday, you must make sure that you are watching Empire Crypto TV at 7 p.m. so that you know exactly what is happening in the crypto space.
Great stuff, great stuff. Today's topic we're discussing two very important projects, Y Finance and Yearn.Finance. It's called Yearn.Finance, Y Finance, and FTX Token project. Very interesting projects indeed. Um, these some of the projects that have actually kept us going, kept us on our toes, kept us moving, hopping, and of course, making money, not only going and moving, shaking, whatever the reason. We've made money through these projects.
A lot.
All right, Christoph, take us through take us through, introduce us to the topic, to the discussion.
Okay, so today we'll be talking about two coins. We'll be talking about, as the Crypto King has said, the Yearn.Finance, and we'll also be talking about the FTX token. So we'll start by talking about the Yearn.Finance. So, Yearn.Finance is a group of protocols running in the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to optimize their earnings in crypto assets through lending and trading services. Now, to earn, which actually just identifies the highest interest rate users can earn lending an asset. Now, one of a number of emerging decentralized finance projects, Yearn.Finance provides its services using only code, removing the need of financial intermediaries like banks, like custodians. To do this, it has built a system to automate incentives around its Yearn.Finance cryptocurrency. Now, the Yearn.Finance platform also consists of several independent products, such as the APY, which basically is just a data table that shows interest rates across different lending protocols. And then we've got N, which identifies the highest interest rates users can earn lending an asset. They've also got Vault. Vault is just a collection of investment strategies designed to generate the highest returns from other DeFi products. And they also have ZEP. ZEP is just a bundle. It's bundles of several trades in one click, saving all the cost and the labor. Now, users earn the Wi-Fi.net token by locking cryptocurrencies in the Yearn.Finance contracts running in a balancer and curve DeFi trading platform. So this is just using the Yearn.Finance platform. Now, in this way, the Yearn.Finance capitalizes on the practical common called the yield farming. Now, in this is where users actually lock up their crypto assets into the DeFi protocol in order to add more cryptocurrencies. Now, the more assets users lock in this platform, the more tokens they are awarded by the protocols. Now, in their first month of the operation, the Yearn.Finance platform actually attracted 80 million in assets, so making it having the fastest growing DeFi project to date. Imagine that. So if they were able to actually get assets worth 80 million US dollars, so it actually means that their use case is something which is very good, and it means that this project is going very, very far. What do you think about that, Crypto King?
Interesting part. I mean, it's a huge project. These are
A lot.
projects that are changing the crypto space. I mean, there's so much happening. You can even see the developers of this project. They're not just lazy people. They're actually coming with so much interesting protocols on a timely basis as well.
Yes. So, Crypto King, as we go into this project, can you also just elaborate for us, how does this Yearn.Finance actually work?
All right, Yearn.Finance. Yeah, look, I got involved or started to hear about Yearn.Finance mid 2020. It was mid 2020 to the end of 2020. During it was during lockdown.
Yes.
Are we still on lockdown or are we out of lockdown?
We are practically still in lockdown, but because we are tired of being in the lockdown, we have just decided to forget about it.
All right, it was an interesting project that I discovered way back during the hard lockdown. Yearn.Finance is a protocol designed to deploy contracts to the Ethereum blockchain as well as other decentralized exchanges running on it, such as Balancer and, of course, Curve. So in this way, users are trusting that YFI's contracts, as well as those in associated contracts on Balancer and Curve, will deploy on Ethereum in order to provide the advertised services. Of course, we see on the platform, we there is lending and also trading, which is the
Yes.
majority of Yearn.Finance's services. It's a N, ZEP, and APY. Seek to enable users to lend or trade their cryptocurrencies. N is a way of for users to get the best interest rate on lending, and it works by searching across different lending protocols such as Aave or Compound to find the best rates. Remember, we are talking about a DeFi project here, where we are talking about having your
Mm,
assets collecting some profits, having your assets working for you. This is part of passive income. We actually have been talking about passive income of lately. We've spoken a lot about passive income. If you have been
yes.
attending our live sessions every day, 7 p.m. These days we've been talking a lot about passive income, and this is part of it.
Yes.
So users can then deposit their DAI, USDC, USDT, TUSD, or SUSD on the Yearn.Finance platform to receive those interest rates. Likewise, ZEP, it allows users to complete several investments with one click. For instance, a user can trade DAI for YCRV, another DeFi cryptocurrency, in one action compared to three actions across the Yearn.Finance and Curve platforms. So this saves the user time, opportunity cost, and transaction fees.
Mm,
Right. I might be actually talking some big words here, which is
yes.
let me just break it down so that everyone understands. Because look, there are some terms which are being used in the crypto space. Our viewers, our family, our people might not be familiar with those words and
Yes.
stuff. With those terms, I would love to say. APY, it stands for annual percentage yield. APY, it stands for annual percentage yield. It searches across the lending protocols that N uses and gives the user an estimate for how much interest they can expect to earn on an annualized basis for a certain amount of capital. All right, Vault's Yearn.Finance's most complex service allow users to follow active investment strategies using the platform's self-executing code. In this way, vaults are likely actively managed mutual funds. All right, as of August, 10 strategies are available on Vault. Still in its experimental stages, these strategies are expressed in Solidity, meaning a user will need some of a familiarity with code to understand how the vaults operate, how investing in a vault straightforward. Yearn.Finance's user interface allows a user to deposit popular coins such as DAI. It, DAI is another it same like USD Tether. It's a stable coin also,
Mm,
and USDC in each strategy, which with each strategy displaying its historical return on investment. Okay, so this is a brief description about why finance and how it functions, how it works.
okay. So basically, from everything that you've just explained now, I think the most important thing for us to learn today is that now why finance is basically just a cryptocurrency that governs the whole Yearn finance platform.
Yeah, YFI actually is it's a project. Remember,
Yes.
Yearn.Finance platform is a platform where the lending, staking, the profits, the yield farming is happening on that platform. And of
Yes.
course, they are represented, the whole project is represented by YFI, which is a cryptocurrency.
Currency.
It's a
Yes.
cryptocurrency for the whole project. So there
Okay.
is YFI, which is a crypto coin, a cryptocurrency representing or owned, which is or governs the Yearn.Finance platform. All right, let me just quickly share something. Uh, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? All right. This is a yen finance platform where the whole lending, staking, yield farming is taking place. So this is the whole platform. Our viewers, our family, they can go onto browser and type www.yen.finance, and then they will land on this platform and start researching, learning about this platform, understanding about how this platform operates, how it functions, as much as we are actually discussing about it here, giving this information on this platform. So this is the platform, guys, where you can go. As you can see, guys, I mentioned that YFI is the crypto token. It's a cryptocurrency for this project.
Okay. Thank you very much for that, Crypto King. We really need to see such, and so that we know, even if we are maybe trying to search for that, then we know exactly that we have seen this instant. Because I've been hearing a lot of people trying to maybe Google what we are trying to say, and then they find themselves in platforms which are just trying to rip them off. So thank you very much for that. So moving on, can you please also just explain for us, why does FYI have value?
FYI, which is a cryptocurrency for Yen project, has value. It is used to encourage, of course, users to lock cryptocurrencies in Yearn.Finance and its contracts running on Balancer and Curve. All right. For example, anyone who owns YFI is able to receive revenue collected by the protocol in the form of fees. All right. Yen
Yes.
Finance charges a fee of 5% for its vault service and zero point 0.5 on vault and N service. Okay, must take note of vault and N. Understand?
Yes.
Yen Finance system retains 500,000 of fees and distributes the rest to YFI holders. That's interesting. That's
Yes.
interesting part apparently.
It's very interesting.
Okay,
As we
it's
always
a,
say, yes, Crypto King.
yeah. Go ahead.
No, I was saying that now you see such products, you see people are not being greedy. They're not saying they are going to be charging you 10% or even 50% of what you've made for their service and the stuff. They're only taking 5%. And you actually see that now, if they are only taking 5%, which company would want to take 5% if it's not making money?
Look, in the crypto space, let me advise our users, our viewers, our family, Empire family, that there are coins. Just by holding them, you are earning some fees, you are earning some more coins just by holding them without, doing anything, but just by holding them, you are earning some more coins. I've got so many other projects that I actually invested on or bought those coins, and then just by having them on my wallet, I'm earning some more coins, especially on that project. If the project is doing something, if there is so much work behind that project, whatever fees they are charging on that project, on from the clients who are using that system, it gets shared back to the token holders or crypto holders. It's very
Yes.
interesting part, eh?
It's very, very interesting. Okay, so let us move over to the total supply and the circulation supply currently for this token.
Look, it is a Yen Finance. It has got a circulation of 36,638 YFI coins and a maximum supply of 36,666 YFI coins. So it's not much influx. There are not so many of these coins. Remember, Bitcoin has got 21 million
Yeah.
bitcoins that will ever be mined, 21 million. And this project has got only 36,666 YFI coins. They're
Imagine.
very much scarce. They're very, very, very much scarce. Before then, let me just give you something, just a little bit. Let me show you this.
At one point, it was the hottest project in town, and Yearn's token Wi-Fi made headlines for beating Bitcoin with an all-time high around $43,000 on the 12th of September 2020, when Bitcoin was around $10,500. So what's the buzz? Let's unpack Yearn. It's formerly known as Yearn and was single-handedly created by crypto's legendary DeFi architect, also known as the father of DeFi, Andre Cronje. So Andre has many other DeFi projects to his name.
The interesting part there was a time when Bitcoin, it was last year, when Bitcoin was around 10,000 US dollars. This coin was much expensive. It was more expensive than Bitcoin. Bitcoin was 10,000 US dollars, and this coin was 43,000 US dollars. This happened last year, as we have seen from the video. I actually saw it. I was there. I noticed. I felt it. I was amazed. This coin is actually more expensive than Bitcoin, because so many people out there that don't know about this. They think Bitcoin
Yes.
is the only expensive coin. Bitcoin is the only coin that is ever been expensive. But there was a coin that was more expensive than Bitcoin at some point.
Yes, yes, yes. So going forward, let we now know the owner, we know the founder. So let us go through to actually what makes this Yearn Finance unique now.
Right, before we go there, I just want to explain further about the founders and the owner
Yes.
and the founder. Let me just quickly share something here. Um, the Okay, there we go. All right. This is the gentleman. His name is called um Andre Kron. This is the founder and the owner of Yearn.Finance. And the interesting part, do you want to know the interesting part?
Yes, please.
All right. This gentleman is his name is Andre Kron. If you can see there, I'm sure you can see. If not, let me just try and move it further so that people can actually see. All right. It's not really clear, but you will see. Andre is a South African software developer and cryptocurrency DeFi, decentralized finance entrepreneur who is best known as the founder of Yearn.Finance. CoinMarketCap writes that Cronje has participated in high-profile DeFi projects such as Acropolish, Cover, Cream V2, Pickly, Powerpool, and SushiSwap. CoinMarketCap also calls Cron one of the most influential people in the DeFi space. Can you imagine? This gentleman is from South Africa. South Africans making things happen in the crypto space. Um,
Oh.
I thought you were running away from Andre. I
No, I
thought.
was blowing my nose. Sorry about that. I was just blowing my nose. So I thought, let me not disturb you.
Okay,
When I
no, I
was
didn't
trying to come
notice.
back, you're taking me out. I'm coming back, you're pulling me out.
All right, do you understand about this gentleman? Is a South African guy and the guy who owns Yearn.Finance.
We actually been seeing a lot of South Africans in the crypto space. We've like, yo, South Africans are busy people. We are just making sure that we are not saying just because we're in Africa and we are not being involved in the space. We are seeing a lot. We are seeing a lot. And I'm very, very happy that today we are talking about one of our own again.
Oh yeah, thank you, Empire Fam. Let's interact. Let's engage on comment section, guys. If you've got some questions about the projects that we're talking about, please say something on the comment section. If you want to ask something, and of course, do not forget to go on to our YouTube channel. Go to YouTube Empire Crypto TV and subscribe. Once you subscribe, every time we go live, you'll receive a notification that we are live, and then you don't miss any of these live sessions, guys. They are very important, powerful. I'm getting a lot of reviews from WhatsApp, social platforms, people saying, this is much useful. This platform is much useful. This gives us a positive energy, guys, to keep going, because we can see we are giving back to the community, and the community is actually appreciating the job that we are doing. So yeah, let's engage with one another. Let's keep us as family. Let's keep talking. All
Yeah.
right, Crypto Cindy. Um, what do you want to know? What do you want to know again?
Okay, we wanted to know what makes this Yearn.Finance unique.
All right, Yearn.Finance. It's set out to simply simplify DeFi investment and activities that yield farming for the broader investor sector. I mean, the platform makes use of various bespoke tools to act as an aggregator for DeFi protocols such as Curve, Compound, and Aave. Bring those who stake cryptocurrency the highest possible yield. All right, you must quote that, the highest um, possible yield on the cryptocurrency market. All right, this is all about making money. It's all about
Yes.
yielding as much as we can. So the highest possible yield. New features continue to be rolled out. These aiming, among other things, to help preserve the long-term value of the platform. Okay, so this is what makes it so unique.
Okay, now the one question that we are always asking every time we are introducing a coin to people, and whenever people are telling us about a coin, is the security. We all want to make sure that our money is secured. So please tell us, is the Yearn.Finance network secured,
Well,
and how?
security is the most important thing in the crypto space, especially on projects, because
Yes.
as much as people are making money, also there are some dodgy characters, or I'll say there are some um, sources are not only on the only offline places, areas, and stuff. We find sources also on the online communities. So a project need to be secure, safe, and sound.
Yes.
Why Yearn.Finance users can face a high risk of losing money thanks to market conditions changing rapidly and opportunistic entities attempting to profit from less experienced participants. It's very much important, especially with people when they get involved in these projects, to understand how it works. Because one mistake where you lose your private keys, or where you just click on the wrong platform and stuff, you can actually you lose your entire investments, or entire capital, or capital that you actually prepared to invest on this platform, or the money that you want to use on the crypto space. It's very much painful to lose money, whichever way. But yeah, look, the underlining word is that it's painful to lose money. So it's very much important for these platforms to be very secure, and also yourself take that initiative to educate yourself and have that awareness, especially when it comes to security. So this crony, Andre, himself sought to maintain transparency about the platform's provenance, noting that even after court audits, Yearn.Finance could not be guaranteed to be 100% safe. DeFi involves inherent risk. You understand that? So
Yes.
there is always risk everywhere, but there's so much money to be made. As much as there's risk, but there is also so much money to be made. So you just have to actually maneuver around the systems, learn about the securities, and then you can actually succeed. We are succeeding. Um, we are moving forward. We are positive, and it's yielding very much positive results.
That is very, very interesting. I'm not seeing anything in terms of a question for this project that we've just spoken about, but I just want to check quickly how much is one worth currently? How much is 1 yen worth currently? Let's just quickly check. I'm going on my coin market and I just want to see the price of one. Because now you know what has made me very interested in the price. The fact that you
Yeah.
told us that the price was once higher than the Bitcoin price. So automatically I'm thinking it is very, very expensive.
All right. Here's the price on the screen.
Yes.
Which is let me try and move it so that everyone can actually see it. All right, here's the yen finance price is 34,218 US dollars as we speak now. So yeah, at one point, which is last year, it happened to be more expensive than Bitcoin. When Bitcoin was around 10,000 US dollars, this coin or this project went as far as 40,000 US dollars above. So as you can see, currently it's around 34,000 US dollars. Um, that's the price. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay.
Okay, so now we will be moving on to the next project for tonight, and the next project for tonight is
All right. Before we move
FTX.
on, okay, let me just share some more information on this
Yes, you can.
project. As you can see, it's 34,278. Let's check some more. I usually go deeper in terms of showing our family what this coin it's all about.
And
Let
you
me
can just
just
also show
get
us where
to.
we can buy it there. So we can just also see the
Uh,
different exchanges where we can get it from.
yeah. Let me just
Yes.
go through. All right. Overview market. All right. This is the market where you can actually buy this coin. You can find it on Binance. You can find it on Coinbase Exchange, Huobi Global, FTX, BitHump, and Bitfinex, KuCoin, Bitstamp, Bitfinex, Kraken, Get.io, Bitstamp, FTS US, Uniswap, SushiSwap, OKEx. Yeah, you can find it in so many exchanges. It's
Yes.
actually a trusted coin. I mean, so many people are invested in this coin, in this South African project. So some people have
Yes.
actually it's listed on big exchanges. It's listed on very trusted platforms. So yeah, it's one of the best coin, I will say. And let's look into um the overview. Let's look into the statistics. All right, let's look into the statistics. Let me just go a little bit to this side. All right. I'm trying to find the statistics. I'm disturbed by this. All right, here are the statistics for this project. Um, I'm not sure. Can you see there? Is it clear on your screen? Crypto Cindy, are you there?
Let's zoom a bit.
Look, I can't zoom.
Let's
If I
see.
zoom, I go out of my screen here.
Okay,
But
but it's okay.
look, in the last
I can
52
see.
weeks, all
Yes.
right, in the last 52 weeks, which is a year ago, the lowest of this coin, it was
Mm,
$7,496, $7,496. And then in the last 90 days, the lowest was 26,659 US dollars. In the last 30 days, the lowest was 27,200 US dollars. And of course, in the last 7 days, a week ago, it was 33,350 US dollars. If
Crypto King,
actually, yes.
I'm seeing something there. The highest price in the
Yeah,
past
it's
year.
interesting. It's interesting. The
I've
highest
just
price.
glued on that.
Oh yeah, the highest price of this coin has been to 93,000. 93,000. That was the all-time high, which was on May 12th, 2021, 5 months ago. Mm,
Imagine.
yeah, 93,000 US dollars, which was earlier this year. So it's an alternative if you think Bitcoin is well expensive, of which it is not. You can always look into such projects, into these projects, because at the moment it's actually 70% down, I will say,
Mm,
from its all-time high. 60, it's 50% down, let me say,
which means we can
50%
dive
down
in.
from its
We can just
all-time
dive.
high. So if this bull run continues and the alt season stimulated, this project can actually reach its all-time high very easy, much easy. So
And
these are
even pass
some.
it.
Yeah, of course. Look at Bitcoin. It passed its all-time high. Who would have thought Bitcoin will come back to 64,000 within the
No.
past few months? I mean,
Mm,
so yeah, look, it's very much possible. It's a project to look at. It's a project not to miss. It's a project not to afford to not to have it in your portfolio. All right,
yes.
let's move on. What's the next project to discuss?
Okay, our next project to discuss, we are talking about the FTX token. Now, the FTX is a cryptocurrency exchange, which is called the FTX. Now, the headlines of this currency is that it has actually raised 420 million in a new round of funding, valued making the company to now be valued at around 25 billion US dollars. So imagine that. Now, the firm
Mm.
has actually raised the fresh cash from a total of just 69 investors. This investment was just a top up. So, to this company, which is FTX Series B financing round this year in July, now in which they have raised 900 million US dollars at at just to give that company a valuation of around 18 billion US dollars. Now FTX has said to also have scored an additional 100 million from Temasek, which they have not actually disclosed yet about. Now, FTX is also one of the world's largest digital currency exchange, competing with the likes of Coinbase, Binance, and also Kraken. Now, it specializes in derivatives and trading on leverage and the use of borrowed funds to amplify trades.
All right. No, great stuff, great stuff. It's an interesting project. I mean, last week I believe we profiled, last week or this week. I think it was this week where we profiled crypto billionaires. And the founder of this project was among the crypto
Yes.
billionaires that we profiled.
Yes.
Um, in fact, he is the most what's that word? Is the richest, I would say. Is worth. Do you still remember how much is he worth, Sam?
No, I'm not
Can
sure how much he's worth now.
I
but I
think
can
it's
just quickly
if
check.
it's not 35,000 billion,
Mm,
it's 25,000 US, 25,000 billion, if not mistaken. But yeah, look, that's the honor. And the FTX token is an ERC20 token on Ethereum, and the native crypto of the FTX derivatives exchange. Of course, as just mentioned up there, that it's an exchange. It's another exchange, which is one of the upcoming best exchange. I mean,
mm.
competing, really giving out some good trading interface. And of course, they've got this FTX token, which is representing the whole exchange, the whole project. Mm.
Okay. So can you just tell us briefly about the history of FTX token?
All right, FTX Derivatives Exchange was founded in 2017 by Sam Bankman-Fried and Gary Wang. Both Bankman-Fried and Wang graduated from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, before launching FTX, and are the company's current CEO and CTO, respectively. Bankman Fried is one of the most successful and well known players in the cryptocurrency community. He is also the founder and CEO of Alameda Research, a quantitative trading company that handles billions of dollars worth of cryptocurrencies. His expertise is priceless, and he has led both companies to great success. He's the gentleman that he sleeps in the office. He used to sleep in the office. I'm not sure if he still does because now he's a billionaire. But yeah,
Yes.
for he's well known for sleeping in the office, working 24/7.
Mm.
What a hard worker! All right,
Imagine.
the FTX team has been masterful at attracting funding, breaking records on July 21 with a 900 million US dollars Series B investment round. More than 60 large investors contributed to the Series B, including Paradigm. Recently, even Tom Brady, the legendary National Football League quarterback, made a deal with FTX for equity in the platform and an specified amount of cryptocurrency to be a brand ambassador. All right, this is a it's a an athlete actually who's now an ambassador, and of course he invested a lot of money into the project, to get some shares also on the project.
Mm,
And of course, it goes on. FTX token it was launched apparently on May 8, 2019, and it has a total supply of about 345 million tokens. The supply will decrease over time as FTX bans more tokens week after week. Right, remember banning tokens. We spoke earlier this week, we spoke about banning coins, banning tokens, BNB quarterly banning of their tokens. So we spoke about it, and this is a useful strategy
yes.
in the crypto space to reduce the number of cryptocurrencies in the and their total supply in the market. So the more you reduce these tokens from the total supply, the more they gain value because the more
Yes.
people, they become scarce and scarce in the market. So they gain value.
Okay.
All right,
So,
so FTT
yes.
reached its all-time high of $63 around the same time as Ethereum hit its peak and fell alongside the rest of the market. At the time of writing, FTT is hovering around. Let me check. FTT.
I think I did open it also here.
Did you? Okay. Did you open
Okay,
it?
I'm trying to get it. There it is. So currently the price is sitting on 63.25 US dollars.
Okay, $63. As we
Yes.
speak now. Yeah, it's actually powerful. Let me just show our viewers so that we don't talk alone here. They can actually have a clue what we're talking about. So this
Yes.
is the FTX token, which is $63. This exchange platform project is owned by a billionaire, crypto billionaire, so to say, to be specific, is a crypto billionaire. He
Mhm.
made his Bitcoin billions in the crypto space. So yeah, and this is his project. And of course, like what Cindy mentioned earlier, that they just received some 420 million US dollars funding this week. So we are expecting this coin to really do wonders. Remember also Binance, which is worth 500 US dollars currently, it was at some point worth
Yes.
$1, and it went to $30, it went to $50, $200, $200, $300. Now it's bouncing around $400 and 500 US dollars. That's Binance Exchange. So now we've got this project also, FTX token, which is
Mm.
receiving so much funding from different institutions. The backing is, it's massive for this project. The backing of this project is amazing. So yeah, it's likely to really shoot up. It's something to keep into your in your portfolio. Currently, as we have just mentioned, it's 63 US dollars. 63 US dollars. Imagine when it start moving, it reaches 100 US dollars, 150, 200 US dollars. I'm not sure where it's gonna stop, but yeah, it's something worth having into your in your portfolio.
Yes. So this is a good investment. Is this a good investment?
Oh yeah, definitely. This is a very good investment. FTX token might be a great investment, especially for exchange users. You can speculate on its price, earn SRM airdrops, get a discount on fees, and more. Of course, if you have got FTX in your exchange, if you are using this exchange, you get so much discounted fees. All right. The other name for this coin is FTX or FTT. Okay. It's likely to follow, certainly to follow the general trend of the cryptocurrency market. And if the market crashes again, FTT probably will too. Of course, it's same like any other coins. However, if Bitcoin and the Ethereum rise massively again, there is no assurance that FTT will do the same. Of course, the token must remain popular, useful, and valuable to investors for it to benefit from the market as a whole rising. So yeah, it's a good investment to have, like I'm emphasizing to say. But of course, we are not really financial advisors here.
Yes.
We are just people on the internet trying to educate
Mhm.
our communities, trying to wake up our communities to say these are projects to look at, but we are not really financial advisors. Not that.
Okay, no problem. We all know we are all learning together. We're all giving just each other advice, but it's not financial advice, as we say. So, Crypto King, would you actually now just tell us what makes the FTX token unique?
Well, um, FTX is backed by Almeta Research, which is known as one of the leading companies in the crypto trading and one of the largest liquidity providers. As such, FTX is a product designed by professionals. Okay, all right, let me just quickly share this so that you can see when we're talking of professionals what we're talking about. Okay, so this is the gentleman. He's Sam Bankman Fried, who's CEO of cryptocurrency exchange FTX. All right, so this is the owner. This is the guy who sleeps in the office. Um, so yeah, look, these guys, they cover multiple services from collateral to maintenance, margin to liquidation processes and product listing. FTX also claims to be focused on fast development cycles, allowing them to deploy crypto trading systems at a competitive pace. You understand?
Yes. No
Um,
problem.
so this is the information about the owner, as you can see, and it was on the news when they received 420 million from 69 investors in meme
Imagine.
funding round. That's huge. Hey.
That's a very huge amount, but the investors are very little. So imagine you can actually just gather 69 people in your own yard. Gather 69 people, but now getting that amount that he got from the 69 people, it really needs something else. You need to convince those people for a year or more. So you can see that he's already now networking with the right people. If he's able to gather just 69 people and get so much, just basically means that his project is very strong. Then there are big people who are actually believing in this project. So just while we're
Absolutely.
still just wrapping up on it, can we just also just tell us how is the FTX token network secured?
Look, it's very FTX is an ERC20 compatible exchange token. The Ledger Nano X slash S hardware wallet allows users to securely store and manage the FTT token via its Ethereum app. Both the FTT and the leveraged token security audits are done by the blockchain concilium auditing firm. So it's very much secure, I will say. But of course, yeah, look, as everyone always declares that there's nothing 100%. But yeah, look,
Yes.
at this point in time, we'll say it's secure to a certain degree.
Now, where can we buy this FTX token?
All right, let me quickly share the screen so that people can see how this token it's you can see the price. We've spoken about the price, but let's check the market. All right, all right, here the markets, the exchanges or the platforms where you can actually buy this FTX token. It's Binance, it's FTX, it's Hoop Global, Get.io, Hoop Global, KuCoin, Uniswap, Polonix, Bitfinex, Bitstamp, Uniswap, Accend X, Serum, X. Oh, X. Wow.
Ah, I'm sure that one is a South African.
Absolutely, we have to check on it. Was X? There's so many exchanges where you can find this token, where you can find this token, and you can see that is found on big exchanges also, trusted
Yes.
exchanges, verified exchanges. So it's one of the best project to look into, to check out. All right, let's go to statistics now. Let's check on the
Yes.
statistics. Okay, whilst I'm checking the statistics, can you remind our family where they can find us if they don't find us on Facebook?
Okay. So, firstly, before I remind them where they can find us if they don't find us on Facebook, let me just tell them. Now, we have got a special whereby people are subscribing and they're winning themselves Shiba Uni coins. Now, in order for you to win the free coins, all you need to do is you just need to subscribe. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Empire Crypto TV. And after that, just right under this show, this live show that you have actually subscribed, so that we know that you have subscribed to the most recent one, and you can win yourself 100,000 Shiba unicorns. There they are. This is just by subscribing. And the best thing about subscribing is that whether you are unavailable due to any unforeseen circumstances, you know that you have subscribed and you will be able to go back to our videos and view exactly what is going on, because there's no guarantee that every single day you'll be available. But that is the best thing about subscribing. Subscribing does not mean that you are going to be paying us every day or we will be asking you for your banking details. It just basically means that you'll be up to date every time when we are live. You'll get an alert at any time that you need to go back, whether for yourself or to show your friends or family members what is happening in the crypto space, or you want them to get an education. You can just show them from your channel that you've actually subscribed. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel that is Empire Crypto TV so that you do not miss any of these educational shows.
Nice one, nice one. It's very much easy to get coins, guys. You start by getting free coins until you step in to buy your own coins. So if ever there are opportunities like this where you get free coins, why not? Why not make use of them? It's just free coins, and those coins they grow up to be so much in the near future.
Yes.
And of course, you keep them. All right, check. Let's check the statistics now. In the last 52 weeks, which is a year ago, this coin was $3. $3, just $3. From $3 to $63. That's a
Yes.
wow. In the last year, imagine. And then and then in the last 90 days, it's in the last 90 days, in the last 90 days, it went to 28 US dollars. The lowest price in the last 90 days, it's 28 US dollars. And then in the last 30 days, it's 47 US dollars. And then in the last 7 days, it's 53 US dollars. So the all-time high, can you see on your side? What's the all-time high on your screen? I want you to be the one breaking this news.
I need my glasses for this. I can't see. So, so the all-time high here, I am seeing. It's not very clear.
All right,
Is
the
it
all-time
85 US dollars or 65
it's 85 US dollars, the all-time high. So the
all-time high?
all-time high is 85 US dollars. Currently, it's trading at 63 US dollars, and a year ago it was $3. If we invested, let's say you bought. All right, let me make an example here. All right, I'm not sure if you guys will see my 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 calculator. I always have a calculator, guys. If you wanna see whether you're gonna be a billionaire in your life, check around your space, around your desk. If you've got a calculator, if you don't have a calculator, there is a problem. If you've got a calculator around your desk, around your space, it means you're gonna definitely be a billionaire. That's I'm not a prophet, guys, but that's proven. That's proven. I mean, we always calculate. I mean, it's a number scam. Numbers don't lie, so it's a number scam. Right. Let's say you took, let's say, 1,000 US dollars, which is 10,000, 15,000 rands, 1,000 US dollars, and bought this token or this coin at $3. Divide by $3. You would have bought 333 coins, FTX coins, 333. All right,
Mhm.
multiply by today's price, which is 63 US dollars.
63.
Yeah, you'll be sitting at 20,999. We'll be sitting at 21,000, guys, 21,000 US dollars. All right, let me go further and multiply 20,000, 21,000 US dollars by our South African rand, which is by 15. So this means we'll be sitting at 315,000 rands. 315,000 rands as we speak now. 315,000 rands from a yak or from your 15,000 investment. Guys, do you understand what I'm saying here? Crypto Cindy, can you maybe explain what I'm trying to say here? People don't understand.
I don't think people don't understand. You know, when it comes to money, everyone understands. Money doesn't need anyone to actually get a degree or something. We all know money, we all know change, we all know what we are supposed to be getting. So it is very clear. When you start speaking about money, everyone understands. Even me, I stop being sick when you start talking about money.
I mean, let me repeat, guys. From an investment of 15,000 rands that you bought FTX token at $3, um, and you would have bought 330 coins, FTX tokens. By today's price, you'll be sitting at 315,000 rands just within a year, just in the last year, let me say. So this is, you can only find this. George eating George. You must be close. All right, thanks, George. When are you coming back to the show, George? We need you as a guest. When are you coming through? Are you available now? Where are you, George? All right, thanks for commenting. Thanks for checking up. Yeah, look, this is very much interesting. This is very much um profitable, guys. The cryptocurrency market is giving people an opportunity to be multimillionaires, to be billionaires, in fact. We are profiling billionaires here week in, week out. So it's happening, guys. You can start small, of course. You can start small, you can start there. Growing up, it doesn't mean you need to have some millions or some thousands to start. You can get started with as little as you can and keep growing, keep getting that positive energy until you see what's happening. But the most important thing also is that you need to commit yourself. I mean, maybe you are working, you have got a job, you are employed somewhere, or you've got your business, you've got a company. There's income that you are getting, especially now it's month end, people are going to get paid. You need to commit yourself to say, you know what, every month I'm investing 1,000 rand to buy these tokens, to buy these coins, different coins. Investing 1,000 rands, 500 rands, guys. Buy these coins. They will amaze you. They will give you an enormous profits in the near future. So yeah, guys, commit yourself. Just take that decision and make sure that you really, really invest on this market.
Okay.
All right, great stuff. What are the comments there? Crypto Cinder is still there.
Yes, I'm still with you.
All right, let me check. We see here. I see something. Um, All right. Yes, beware. I've subscribed, still waiting to win. Oh, yeah. Bring some more people to subscribe. Bring some more people to subscribe. Then, yeah, of course, guys, we're giving out these tokens to all our family members. So, yeah, bring some more people to subscribe. Then we've got Letugutula Nkomo there. She's also subscribed. Oh, well done. Welcome to the crypto family. Welcome to Empire Crypto TV, Letugutula. And of course, do let us know where you're watching this live broadcast from. Do tell us your area, your province, your country, if you are outside South Africa. But of course, welcome to the family. And we are live every day here at 7 p.m. With different discussion, different topics. So, yeah. And do not forget to invite your friends, invite your family. Those people who say cryptocurrency does not work, invite them to this show. Give us that platform to talk to them. If you can't talk to them, let us talk to them. Let us introduce them to this market. We are very proud of this market because we are living testimonies of what's happening in this market. We are living, we are breathing the cryptocurrency. So give
Yes.
us that chance that opportunity to talk to your father, to talk to your dad, to talk to your mom, to talk to your friends, to talk to your brothers, to talk to your sisters. Just bring
Yes.
them on the show and then let us do the talking. Oh, yeah.
I think Biwet deserves to actually win the Shiba Inus. What do you think?
All right, beware, we gonna give her. All right, yeah, yeah. Look, I think I've seen her coming
Yes,
through
a lot.
to the show,
She's she,
and
she's very
yeah.
active, so she deserves it. So yes, Beware, you have finally won yourself the Shiba Inu coins.
Oh, great stuff, great stuff. And of course, and the new subscriber also, she deserves to win. Also, she will get
Yes,
definitely. She has won herself some Shiba Inu coins, 100,000. They are coming to your wallet.
yes.
Okay. All right. Anything else? Any comments? Any questions?
No, nothing else. All is well.
All right. Okay. All right. George say check X Infinite. All right. Yeah, I think I saw something of that nature. Actually, I'll actually go through it, and then yeah. Thanks for the hint. Thanks for the tip. All right. Anything else from your side before we close?
So I just want to thank everybody for making sure that you're with us yet again on a Friday night. We know there was so much for you to do, but you decided to actually get yourself some education that is worth so much. So thank you very much. And I'm very happy that I was able to be with you guys for the whole show today. That is exciting. And one thing for sure, we will definitely be here again. Empire Crypto TV next week, Monday to Friday at 7 p.m. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you are here because there's no show without you guys. The show is all about you. So make sure you're here. We'll also make sure we're here. Thank you very much and enjoy your weekend.
I forgot that today is Friday. I thought we're still in a week. I mean, I will miss our family people. We will miss everyone here.
Yes.
All right, no, Krista, but crypto doesn't sleep. It's open 24/7, even on weekends.
That is the nice thing about it. Yes, you will be missing us, but the crypto market will make sure that it actually comforts you because it will still be running. And Monday we'll be talking about the activities which took place during the weekend in the crypto space.
Thanks, guys. Peace and profits. Thank you. See you on Monday.